Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to export your file the fastest and the easiest way in After Effects. Let's get started. First, let's select our file, go to File, Export, and Add to Render Queue. You will be presented with all these options. So let's first change the settings of render settings. Go inside it, quality stays best, resolution full. And this is the setting for this part. You can increase the frame if you want, if your videos allows. Go to output module, the format, choose QuickTime. In the post render action, choose none. You can choose RGB plus alpha if you have transparency in your video, otherwise not. Format options, animation. And this is it for this section as well. Then choose your location where you want your video to be exported, and then press on render. And the video will start rendering to the destination. This is it for today. Thanks for watching.